everyone, welcome back to my craft space. I am Sandy. If you are new here, I am continuing to work on my spring junk journal, and I am working on the cover today. So I have this fabric that I'm going to use in a minute, but right now I am gluing this fabric down to my envelope. So I've glued the back, oops, so sorry you all. I glued the back on, and now I'm going to glue the front on. I was debating if I needed to put glue all over the envelope or just around the edges. So that's why I tested it out on the back first. And I went ahead and decided that glue all over would work just fine. And then this is a little hack that I got these at the Dollar Tree, and this just helps spread out this glue without it getting all over your fingers. And I find that to be a great little hack. And then I tried ironing this, and I got some of the wrinkles out, but I couldn't get all of them. So that's why I'm trying to use the glue here to get most of the wrinkles out here. And then a lot of this will get covered when I put my cover on. I hope y'all are having a great day. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. I hope that you will subscribe if you haven't already, and check out all my other junk journal videos. It looks pretty good. Yeah, I'll have this somewhere on here. Cover up a lot of that. And then the next thing I like to do, I like to fold in these corners here. Make sure this is on camera. Yeah, okay. And this is a really thin fabric, so you don't need a lot of glue. Having a pretty good day today. The sun is out, but it's got chilly again. We are moving into Derby season here in Kentucky and Louisville. The Kentucky Derby is always the first Saturday in May. That's an easy way to remember it. And today, this year, it's my brother's birthday. So every so many years, his birthday lands on Derby Day, which is kind of fun. And then leading up to Derby, we have a whole bunch of different fun festivals and events. It's a whole lot of fun. We kick off, I guess 3 weeks before Derby with a thing called Thunder over Louisville. And for that event, we have an air show during the day. So we have a whole bunch of different airplanes. I think this year there's around 35 different types of planes that will fly down the Ohio River on the waterfront. So our downtown is right on the Ohio River. It's really pretty, and we have a bunch of waterfront parks there, so people can go and sit on the lawn and enjoy all the the airplanes, and you can bring food. They'll have food for sale, but you can bring food. And then once it gets dark, we then have a fireworks show. And it used to be like one of the top 5 fireworks shows in the country. You know, with COVID and everything, I'm not sure if it's going to be scaled back. But we have our baseball stadium down there. They sell tickets, so you could kind of go in and out. And I'm not sure if they're playing. Sometimes they're playing at home on Thunder. And I'm not sure if they're playing this year at home. And then we have a brand new professional soccer stadium. And they're also selling tickets, so you can watch the air show and the fireworks from the soccer stadium. And it's a beautiful, beautiful stadium. And lots of different places where you can watch the air show and the fireworks downtown. So it's a blast. So that kicks off Derby, the Derby Festival. And then we have a marathon and a half marathon the following Saturday. We have an hot air balloon show, and then they do a little race. And that's just beautiful. It's such a fun thing to take your kids to when they're little. The night before, they have a hot air balloon glow, so you can go and see the hot air balloons on the ground, and they light them up at night, and it's just so pretty when they're lit up at night. And we have a great Steamboat Race is another fun Derby Festival event. And we have our Bella Louisville, which is one of the oldest steamboats. And the Delta Queen, I think, comes... Where does it come from? Does it come from New Orleans? I think it comes up from New Orleans. And then I think Cincinnati has a steamboat. And so they race up and down the Ohio River. And they race for, I think it's the Golden Antlers. And there's always accusations of cheating going on between the different steamboat captains. It's always a lot of fun. And you can ride on them. You can get tickets and ride on the boat during the race. I've never done that. That would be something fun to do. We also have a parade, Derby Festival Parade, which is fun. Oh, that looks really cute. So I got all that. I will go back and kind of flatten down these corners a little bit later. What other? Let's see. I'm trying to think of some other. Oh, we have some different wine tasting and beer tasting events where you can buy a ticket and you can go in and sample a whole bunch of different wines. And a lot of them are, not all of them, but there's anybody that has local breweries or local vineyards. They can, you can try out their wine there. I like how that looks. So yeah, so this is a really, really fun time to be in Louisville. We have so many fun events planned and scheduled. So yeah, it looks like I'm going to have to trim this down just a smidge there. About that much. Then we can glue that in there. Yeah, I think that'll look nice. So maybe right about there. But today, unfortunately, it's a little bit chilly. I think it's only in the, low 50s today. But it's supposed to gradually warm back up. And I think we're going to be in the 70s on Friday and the 80s on Saturday. So that'll be very, very nice. Yeah, that looks good. That looks very good. All right. Let's glue that in. Don't want to glue that in just yet, because I want to decide if I want to put a closure in here. So I'll wait on that. And then I'll let this dry. And then I also want to work on what I want to do with this fabric. Give me some suggestions, you all, of what to do with this. My original thought was to kind of cut a little rectangle shape, and I don't know if I should put maybe something behind it, maybe layer it up from behind, because this is just so pretty. So maybe I will dig out some of my different laces and things. And so I could do a layer of lace and then a layer of this. And then kind of thinking I need a third layer. So give me some suggestions on what to do for this. And hopefully I can get these creases out of here. Maybe I could use this little section over here. And any suggestions on how to get these creases out of here too, that would be great. So I need to figure out what I'm going to do with that. Let me show you real quick what I've done for the signature so far. So I think I'm going to have this be see if I need to trim it down any. Yeah, I might trim it down. It's sticking out just a little bit, but not too much. So I think this will be the cover. Love the birds and the butterflies. And then I pulled out some different vintage papers. Here's this paper from that flower book. And then the birdhouse paper. And then I was thinking of, so I have some different pieces of paper like this. So I might try to cover up most of the boots with that. I still need to paint this. I love the lavender, the pink. And then I have this ledger paper. And then I think I'm going to have this be the center. It's just so pretty. And then here's the back side. So I got tons of place to write. And if I want to do any additional decorating, I'll have plenty of space to do that as well. Isn't that pretty? I love those. And then I'll stencil these up here, this front, and stencil this up as well. All right, well, thanks for jumping on with me. I just wanted to show you this cover real quick and what the signature page is, what I finally decided on there. And I'm going to see if I want to do a tie, and then I will just glue this down. It's really easy to do. And I will probably use the Fabri-Tac glue, I think. That's probably what I'll do. So, all right, well, you all have a great day. And thanks so much for all your support. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. If you have more questions about all of our Kentucky Derby events, just leave those in the comments down below. And please give me some suggestions on how to make this. I really want to try to do some cute little something on the cover with this. And I'll go look for look through my laces and see what I can find. All right, see you all on the next video. Bye.